Quality cropland, wooded areas, and a country home in north-central Indiana, plus vehicles, equipment, and personal property, all selling at auction December 14th. Metzger Property Services presents these 80 acres in Wabash County, just southeast of North Manchester, Indiana. A great location at 7754 North 500 East, also known as Gene Stratton Porter Road. This property will be offered in 5 individual tracts, combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 6 acres and features a move-in ready 4-bedroom country home with large living room, wraparound kitchen, formal dining area, and master bedroom with double closets. The full basement has its own living area, kitchen, wood shop, and storage area. The home on Tract 1 also has 2-car attached garage, wood deck area, a newer roof, plus barn with horse stalls and multiple outbuildings. Tract 2 and Tract 3 are each quality tillable cropland. Tract 2 is 37 acres, while Tract 3 is 21 acres in size. Tract 4 is 11 acres of woods, great for hunting and outdoor recreation, or Tract 4 is ideal as a potential building site. Tract 5 is 5 acres of pasture ground to be offered as a swing tract. A swing tract must be purchased in combination with another tract or by an adjoining landowner. Tract 5 is an ideal complement to any of the tracts offered for additional acreage. Following the real estate auction, an extensive list of personal property items will sell, including Alice Chalmers tractors, farm implements, mowers, lawn and garden tools, and equipment. A 1999 Chevy Lumina will sell at auction. Also shop tools, metal and woodworking equipment, and livestock management accessories and tools. Other personal property items include horse-drawn wagons and sleigh, furniture, appliances, antiques, books, toys, and various household items. Be sure to visit the open house Tuesday afternoon, December 3rd from 5:30 to 6 o'clock. This 4-bedroom country home, tractors, equipment, personal property, and 80 acres in Wabash County will sell at auction Saturday morning, December 14th. Bidding starts with real estate at 10 o'clock. To find out more, call auction manager Brian Evans, 260-571-8732. or visit the Metzger Auction Services website online at metzgerauction.com.